Hi, I'm going to talk about how to use a metal hacksaw. When you first use a hacksaw, when you check that the saw blades are blunt, right? Or when you notice that some of the region of the saw blades have been used, it's about time to change the hacksaw blade. Loosen the wing nuts. When you loosen the wing nuts, you will see that there is this dowel pin over here that you can remove the saw blade. Now, how do you change a saw blade? And which orientation do you use? Do you put it this way or do you put it this way? The correct way is for the teeth to be facing upwards. So you need to zoom in here and you'll be able to see the orientation of the teeth is such that it is pointing towards them. The hacksaw cuts on the forward stroke rather than on the reverse stroke. And then what we do is we tighten it. Ensure that the blade is tightened and well taut. A loose blade will result in possible breakages of the blade. Okay, now that it's taut, when you are sawing, make full use of the whole entire length of the saw blade. The improper techniques of sawing will be shown later. Clamp your workpiece and make sure that you have a marking. There's that. When you're about to saw, and if you are a right-hander, hold the saw with your right hand and the trigger finger to help control the blade if your cutting has veered towards one side. You can actually twist the saw this way and saw, and your cutting will go back to where you want it to be. When you saw, you use the whole entire length of the blade. Avoid sawing in this fashion. By doing this, you will only wear off this small region of the blade, and people who would subsequently use this saw or this particular blade would have a hard time because this part here is blunt. The correct sawing technique is to first put your thumb over here to guide where you want to cut, and you draw once, twice, 3 times to create a notch. Once the notch is created, you don't need to have your thumb there anymore. Alright? So with the correct technique, if you are a right-hander, you hold the saw with your right hand, your left leg is forward, and your left leg is back. And you are over the saw workpiece. As you are sawing through the workpiece, this hand can be placed here to help guide. Notice that I'm using the entire blade as I'm sawing through. There is no need to exert a downward force to cut. By exerting a downward force to cut, chances of veering is a lot higher. Concentrate on trying to cut in a straight line. Occasionally stop to check if you have veered off and if you need to make any adjustments. As you are approaching the end of the cut, you may want to be careful, slow down a little. You will notice that the part will start to pry over. Be careful of all the sharp edges around the vise and the workpiece so that you do not accidentally move back and cut yourself on your elbows, fists or hands. Once the sawing is done, you can then remove the burrs by using a bastard file. remove the sharp edges. Thank you very much for watching this video.